how to run automations with my contacts as a starting point. So my contacts is when you import a CSV file or enroll them from the plugin on LinkedIn. So as an example, I built one automation called Saleshub version 5. And I'm just going to showcase to you precisely how that works. So I'm opening up my automation. It takes a couple of seconds as it's a larger one. So I have them right here, my contacts. So I need to enroll the contacts into the automation in order to start. Then I have the first step, which is manual prospects. It does require to have a LinkedIn URL, and then after half an hour to 45 minutes, they'll show up one-to-one personalization. After that, if the email is verified, then it will go to the right side. If not, then we'll go to no side and follow the templates. So if I go into my contacts, and please pay attention to the email verified, I'm going to explain that right now. So I go into prospects. Then from prospects, I select the people that I like to enroll into the process. Now let's imagine you import a CSV file with a lot of different emails. You have the option, if you verified them, to click verified emails and they will go to the yes side. Otherwise, you have to rely on our verification built in. Now at this point, I can then add them to the automation. So I choose Saleshub version 5, hit add to automation. And once that's done, they will slowly after roll into the one-to-one personalization, which you'll find right here. So here I have the first ones. So for example, I have Dave Ross. I have my automation here, and then I can personalize my content around him. So say, hey Dave, and then I can personalize what I want to write. I can see his technologies, for example. So maybe I want to say, hey, if you're working with HubSpot, and so on and so forth. I can also move over to the next person. So let me just give you another example of somebody who actually posts on LinkedIn. So I'm going to see what Dan he wrote here. So Dan, he said secure access trade-off for DevSecOps teams. It's a good read. So I could technically write that, love you share about the DevSecOps teams. I could write that, hit save, send to prospect, and that's it. You're now personalized. You started a personalized sales process. Typically, I will save this and then I'll go to the next one, and the first line I'll copy paste the same sentence. And if it's an email as well, I hit save and then send to prospect at that time. So that's how you do one-to-one personalization, how you started from the automation as my contact point.